In this lesson, I'm going to be talking about how you can use the monitor folders feature in Jarvee campaigns. So I talked about this already in the campaigns. I said I'd go over it. And what I'm going to be doing is talking more about the strategy on how you can use this, because it's pretty simple at the end of the day, and it all come down to sort of how you personally want to do it, what works for you, because there's many different ways of actually using folders. So let's talk about the first thing you can do. You can of course just select a folder that is on your computer that has pictures in there, videos in there, all that good stuff. And maybe you just want to manage, content that way and get it to automatically be uploaded into Jarvee. Pretty simple. You come to browse, you select it, great. That then leads us into our post template, and this is going to work for other ideas that I'm going to discuss after. But what you can do is actually start pulling different tokens from the files you are going to be using. So if you're on a Windows computer, for example, you can right click, go to the properties of that actual image file, and then you're going to get things such as the meta title, meta comments, meta tags, all different things in there. And what you could do is type into these columns and then pull that data from it and add it into Jarvee. So a simple way of talking about this is just the file name. So let's say for each image you want to upload, and you make the file name the caption. And then what you could do is type in file name here, and then for every image it finds in that folder, it's going to look at the file name, and it's literally going to add this in here automatically for you, which is really cool. So it's a nice way to start managing things, and it's pretty much as simple as that. You can then add the folder, it's going to get added down here and start naturally finding everything for you, which is really good. I just want to talk about two other ways to do this, what I know some sort of social media marketing agencies use, especially if you're running a VPS and you want it just to be nice and simple. You will have to once again sort of tailor this and mold it to how you like doing. But they'll use, for example, Dropbox. So you can download Dropbox, you could have a file which then you can manage on your computer, have one on your VPS, and then everything you manage, you can start utilizing these different tags and adding them in here, which is really good. So different things, for example, you could add in your hashtags into the meta comments. You'd have your file name, ... and then you could have meta underscore comments, and then it's going to use the file name as your caption. You obviously type in the caption as name, and then in the meta comments you would have your hashtags pasted in there. And that's pretty much it for the monitors folder. We can't really get into too much more depth about it. You just need to go out there, sort of play around, test it. But hopefully this has given you some ideas. And of course, if you do have any questions or concerns, leave a comment down below and I'll be more than happy to help you out.